Think about the AI you use every single day. Are you absolutely certain it's keeping your highly sensitive business data secure? Or is your confidential info just kind of floating around on someone else's server? It's the massive question for professionals and business owners right now. Is your data truly private? Well, what if I told you a group of ex-Google DeepMind researchers actually built an incredibly powerful, highly private alternative that you're probably not even using yet? Before we unpack this explainer is produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, educator and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups, based in Karachi, Pakistan. All right, let's get started. Meet Mistral AI, the open source powerhouse. Okay, let's dive into this. We are looking at a literal disruptor in the industry here. It's a French open source model that's completely changing the game when it comes to privacy and capability. And their rise has been nothing short of meteoric. I mean, they were founded in France in April 2023 by these elite researchers straight out of Google DeepMind. Just months later, they hit AI billionaire status purely off the success of their open source models. Fast forward to today, and they're already iterating on these incredibly advanced 3.1 and 3.2 models, proving they are absolutely here to compete with the giants. Features that drive productivity. So, what does this actually mean for you? If you're a professional, a business owner, or a student, how is this going to actually speed up your day-to-day workflow? Well, Mistral brings this whole suite of specialized modes right to your fingertips. You've got research mode for deep, critical task analysis. Then there's think mode, which is just fascinating. It gives you transparent reasoning at 10 times the speed, so you actually see exactly how the AI arrives at its thoughtful answers. Plus, there's a code interpreter for developers to generate charts and code, and a canvas mode that pops open a side window for seamless editing and content regeneration. Now, what's really cool here is how you can customize your workspace. You can build custom agents. Think of these as tailored personas, like your own dedicated data analyst, or maybe a personal tutor. And on top of that, there's this intelligence feature. It acts like a memory bank, recalling specific facts about you or your business, which gives you highly contextual, personalized answers without you having to constantly repeat yourself. To keep all this organized, it's just a simple workflow. Step 1, you create distinct projects, so you can completely isolate a marketing project for client A from a script writing project for client B, keeping perfect context for both. Step 2, you add custom instructions so the AI always nails your exact tone. And step 3, you link connectors. Imagine tying it to Zapier to auto-post to LinkedIn, or hooking it directly into your Gmail or Notion. It's a real game changer. Deploying AI locally. Because look, Mistral is incredibly powerful online, for sure, but its absolute biggest advantage is offline. Let's move on and see how this builds a fortress around your data. Enter the local setup. By using tools like Ollama, you can deploy an open-source AI model like Mistral or even Meta's Llama directly onto your own computer's hardware. That means your conversations, your client data, your brilliant ideas, the whole shebang, it never goes to the cloud. It stays entirely offline, running right inside your machine's GPU. We are talking 100% privacy. Now, you're probably asking, okay, what's the catch to offline AI? Well, to run these models smoothly, you do need a capable PC with a pretty strong GPU. And since it is offline, if you want it to search the live web for the absolute latest data, you're going to need to integrate some third-party tools to make that happen. But if you meet those hardware requirements, the practical applications are incredible. You can securely isolate confidential client marketing strategies without sweating over data leaks. You can safely feed it proprietary code for technical analysis. Or you could research super complex health tech, like analyzing new AI-powered wound healing devices, knowing your innovative research remains completely under wraps. The cost advantage. So the absolute crucial point here isn't just the privacy, it's how this ultimately impacts your bottom line. $1. That is the shockingly low entry point for Mistral's premium tier right now if you look at their annual options. Just let that sink in for a second. And this brilliantly illustrates the contrast. While your standard mainstream AI platforms will run you around $20 a month for cloud-based access, Mistral Premium ranges from just a single dollar up to about $15. And if you choose that local deployment of Mistral or Llama we talked about, completely free, with 100% offline privacy. Which brings us to this powerful realization. By using open source models locally, businesses can protect sensitive data while building a more sustainable choice for long-term AI adoption.
It's flexible, it's highly secure, and it's incredibly budget-friendly without compromising an ounce of raw processing power. The technology is here and it is accessible to you right now. So the final question is, are you ready to take ultimate control of your AI data and your costs? I highly encourage you to explore Ollama or Mistral for your very next project and just experience this secure open source power for yourself.